All right. Yesterday we learned about VLOOKUP. If you think VLOOKUP is powerful, wait till you learn index and match. It's more flexible and solves many VLOOKUP limitations. So let's start. I have created this data table uh, to, to learn how the index and match actually works. Let's learn with a story. Imagine there is a classroom where you have a big notebook and that's this table. Let's say this is what is your notebook. And we are having multiple columns here, right? Like C column is containing the score of math, D is for science and English, and here we are having the student name. Now, let's say the teacher asks, um, what is the mark, science mark of Alice Ray? We can do the VLOOKUP, but in this case, we are going to find out Alice Ray's science mark using match and index. Okay. So what match and index usually do? First match. Is finding out in which place the specific person is sitting. When we are taking the classroom example, let's say each and every students are sitting on their own benches, right, or their desk. And this is what the desk number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this is what is their desk number where they're sitting. So each row is a desk, right, where each and every students are sitting. So when we are finding out for Alice Ray, so Alice Ray is sitting in table number 5, right? So match can solve this problem. So we are trying to find out the sitting position of Alice Ray. So we are asking Match, hey Match, could you please find out where Alice is sitting? So let's find out. Match, and then the lookup value. The lookup value is what? Alice Ray, right? We are looking for where Alice is sitting. And then the array, right, means where the list of students names are available in the table, actual table. So it is available in this column, B column. So I'm selecting this, that specific column, and I want the exact match, right? The exact match we learned in VLOOKUP as well, right? The exact match is 0, so in this case 0. To get the exact match, let's find out. Exactly. So Alice Ray is sitting in desk number 5. Now what next? We are having the desk number. Now we will ask index, hey index, could you please tell me the science mark of Alice Ray? So how we can do that? So we will ask, hey index, this is the column, right, where this is the part of the notebook or the page of the notebook where we are having the mark, science mark of Alice. So you find out the mark of Alice, who is sitting in desk number 5. That match find it, right? So let's see what it brings. So Alice Ray, the science mark is 76. So it find out the 76. Okay. Now that's how the match and index work together like friends, and they find out the actual answer that has been asked. So how we can combine both of them and get the work done? So in that case, first we will call index. Index, you need to find out the science mark that for a person, for the student, that match is telling you. Okay. So now we are calling match. Hey, you please tell the bench where Alice is sitting, right? So now match. So we are finding out the details for Alice Ray, then where the students' names are available in BB, right, in the B column. So we selected that. We need the exact match, so that's why 0. So match is doing his job, and index is going to find out the score of Alistair, right? 76. Okay, so that's how match and index is basically works. Pretty easy. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can put your comments um, in the comment section. We'll see you soon with the next video. Maybe in the next video I will tell the different kind of errors that we are seeing while doing the VLOOKUP and how to fix